Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Kids Education. In previous video, we learned Western Coastal Plains. Today, we are going to learn Eastern Coastal Plains. The Eastern Coastal Plains is a wide stretch of landmass of India. It lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. And also, it stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal and in the north through Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Now, let's learn Eastern Coastal Plains one by one. West Bengal. The main port of West Bengal is Kolkata Port. It officially known as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. It is only riverine major port of India located in the city of Kolkata. These are riverine ports established on Hooghly River. It handles trade with Southeast Asian countries and it is connected with ocean-based dockyard of Kolkata, that is Diamond Harbour. Odisha. The main port of Odisha is Paradeep Port. Paradeep Port is a natural deep water port on the east coast of India in Jagatsinghpur district of Odisha. It is situated at confluence of Mahanadi River and the Bay of Bengal. It exports iron and aluminium to Southeast Asian countries. Andhra Pradesh. The coastal line of Andhra Pradesh is located on the southeast coast of Indian Peninsula and forms a part of Coromandel coast with waters of Bay of Bengal. The main port of Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam Port. It is the deepest port of India. It handles the export of iron ore to Japan and also it is famous for building and repairing of ships. Tamil Nadu. Coromandel Coast is a broad coastal plain in eastern Tamil Nadu state of southern India. The main port of Tamil Nadu is Chennai Port. Chennai Port is the second largest container port of India. The main import carried out from here is petroleum products, motor vehicle ancillaries and cottonseed oil. In these two videos, we learn coastal plains of India. I hope you enjoyed this learning. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification on the new videos immediately. Thank you.